In the first test, you can see from Digilabs, which is the animal photograph, and then imposed on the ultimate impositioning tool, and down to the Canon printer. Cut and crease on the Duplo DC645. Now the final stage is the book block assembly. You can see here, the product is glued back to back, sheet to sheet. This is printing simplex. We're doing one up. And this process here, this is the only labor intensive section. This product is still new. The market for this application is still new. There's not a lot of manufacturer that has a full automation product to assemble photo books. What we're doing here is when the product is glued, we would then take this product and take over to our compressor. Okay, this is the compactor. Once it's glued, the product has to dry. It takes about 2 hours to dry, but you can do as many books as the compressor can hold. So in this case here, we simply put a chipboard between each sheet, okay, to keep the sheet separated. And once we do that, we would then label into the compressor, close it, then we leave it there to dry. This is air dry for at least 2 hours. Once that process is done, we would then go to the next phase, which is then what we could do is we make the hard cover. And I'm going to take you to that next step. Okay, this is the cover, again, printed on the Canon, designed on Digilab, imposed with the ultimate impose strip tool. It's also, we can either laminate or UV coat the cover to have that durability. This is a memory photo album, so we want the cover to last as long as the memory itself. So in this stage here, we're custom built a hard case, and this process, although it looks labor intensive, but right now this is the only method that that is available today, the only technology that's available today to assemble a custom photo book. You can see the process here, making a photo book. This is the system has an air bed, so once the material is laid on to the case maker, he would then align the center, put the appropriate chipboard on there, and the process starts. Now again, the customer can actually the Photolab services can do this while the book block is air dried. An average time to make a custom cover, we're looking at a 2 or 3 minute work. Again, this is the third step of the process. So once that is done, the next step is to put the book together. This is the area where we assemble the book. Once the book is dry, this is when it comes out from the compactor. Once this is dry, this is just the book block, okay? We now have to marry this product to the hardcover we just designed. So this is I can tell you that the Japanese, they thought of everything. It's a little tool that able to align the book block center to the cover.
I know she's laughing. See, I gotta face her later when I sit in that chair. It's not gonna work. All right, so back to my.
So what he's doing here is the tape that you see around is they're basically a double-sided tape that's been put on right after the compacting stage, and when that is done, we can then marry the cover to the book block. All right, now we have a complete finished product. You can see the first stage is the design stage from DigiLab, and completely done. You can see the quality of the book. And here we have a workflow that we're, this is, we call it a credit page that we post our partners, the solution, how it works, how this is put together. You can see the photo album is just beautiful. It's, the image quality on that C1 press is just incredible.